Guys, I'm trying the croissant in 7-Eleven in the Philippines. I have my tita.
Hi!
We're going to try the croissant. Tita, can you open this?
My nails are long. Hey guys. Boom.
Wow! This is the croissant. So, this black inside, like this. Okay, let's try tita.
Mmm.
I can already taste the bread. Okay. The next thing is Smart C. Tita, can you open this again?
You have calamansi juice already.
This is a calamansi juice. Orange.
This is calamansi juice.
And this is orange, guys. It is like orange. Tita, let's try. So orangey.
Yeah.
Is it orange?
It is orange.
There's already food in the 7-Eleven. Smart C and a croissant. And this is my drink. The calamansi juice. So sour. Bye guys.